Wow, there's so much leaves here. Mom, are we done yet? No, Jeremy, we're not done. Well, can I go inside? It's getting chilly. No, not after you help me finish cleaning the sidewalk. Finally, done with my side. How about you guys? Yep. Uh-huh. Wow, this was a lot of leaves to clear. Well, it's autumn season, so you'll expect that. But hey, at least we were able to clear it up as a team. Really? Well, yeah, you're right. We helped each other out, George. Yeah, exactly. Right, Dan?
Yeah, I don't know about teamwork, but I just needed a clear path to walk on.
Well, hey, we did a great job on clearing the sidewalk because this was a lot of leaves. Right, Billy? Yep. Teamwork makes dream work. Billy, I hope you didn't use that hairbrush to clear the sidewalk. Mom, it's getting chilly. Can we go inside now? In a minute, Jeremy. I'm talking to George. Oh, no, that's fine. It is getting pretty chilly, so we are going to head inside as well. But you know, thinking about our hard work, I'm worried that some cars might pass through here and recover the sidewalk with leaves. Yeah, or like that snowplow guy passing through here. What? Oh gosh, I hope he doesn't pass through here. And why would he pass through here anyways? It's not even snowing. Well, remember that drama that happened last year when it was snowing? He made a huge mess, intentionally. True, but there's literally no reason for him to pass through here. What's he gonna do? Plow through the leaves? Huh? Oh no. Quick! Quick! Stop him before it's too late! Hey! Stop right now! Oh my God! Hey, get out the way, you idiots! No! You're the idiot! Why are you here? It's not even snowing! I don't care! I just want to make a mess in your neighborhood! Oh, that's just great! Hey man, what was that for? You didn't have to go that fast. Oh my goodness! We're done. Come on, man.
I have the time for this.
Papa,